Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Zaharaverse. Today we are gonna make this is our inspiration from Pinterest. So let's recreate that. So for that you'll need a yarn, a zip and scissors, and of course a 2.5 mm hook and a needle. We also need glue gun. First we are gonna make a foundation chain. You can chain according to your preference. Here I am doing 34 chains. To do one chain extra, how many ever foundation chain you did, you have to do one chain extra, so it's 35 now. After completing, we have to do single crochet all over. Now we will chain one, just turn the project and do one double crochet in here in the first stitch, and then we're gonna do a puff stitch. Now we're gonna do 3 incomplete treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert your hook in the next chain, take it out, take 2 loops, then 2 loops, and leave the last one. That's called incompleted treble crochet. We have to do 2 more like that in the same stitch. Yarn over twice, in the same loop insert and take the yarn out, pull out 2 loops, pull out 2 loops, and just leave the last one. Yarn over twice, insert in the same stitch and pull out 2 loops and pull out 2 loops until you get 4 loops at the end, and then pull out all the 4 loops together like that. We are gonna do a double crochet into the next stitch, and another double crochet into the next stitch. So now we have to repeat this pattern. We have to do 3 half completed treble crochet in one stitch and then 2 double crochet in each stitch, and we have to continue this process till the end.
Keep it safe, so don't you worry a thing. I'll tell you I love you more. It's stuck with you forever, so promise you won't let it go. I'll trust the universe will always bring me to you. I'll imagine we fell in love on that Monday morning.
On the last we have to do only one double crochet, and yeah, you can see the row 1, chain 1. Now after this we have to do single crochet all over. Now I have completed Natonia work, chain 1, and now we'll do first one double crochet in the first stitch. Now we have to do the same thing, 3 half completed treble crochet in one stitch and 2 double crochet in each stitch till the end.
Now you're all that I want this night. I'll imagine we fell in love on that Monday moonlight skies with you. I think I'll picture us with the waves, the ocean's colors on your face. I'll leave my heart with your air, so
So I have completed 2 rows and you can see it's like that, and now we have to continue this pattern how much ever big you want, like this much or more than that. So we'll continue. Now for the side panels I am doing 10 chains. See that according to your pouch. In first row I did double crochet. After that chain 1 and turn your work and start the puff stitch. Then you have to do puff stitch, and then after that you need to do single crochet, puff stitch, single crochet. You have to continue this till the desired length. Now we have completed the base and the side panels. Now we'll join it. We'll join it by the help of the hook and the yarn. Make a slip knot and take the panel and attach it to the side like that. After that insert your hook and attach the yarn by chain 1. Would you mind if I took your hand tonight? No, you're all that I want this life. After this you just have to do slip stitch all over. Insert your hook, take the yarn out and do a slip stitch. Like that you have to join all the sides of the panel. I'll leave my heart with your air, so let me fly with you. Will you be forever with me? Be careful that you're joining the back parts, back side, not in the front side. Just see the position and join it like how I am doing. So don't you worry a thing, I'll tell you I love you more. It's stuck with you forever, so promise you will. Do the same for other side as well. Now turn your pouch and take your needle and yarn and make a knot and just sew it in the middle to make it sturdy. I think I'll picture us here with the waves, the ocean's colors on your face. I'll leave my heart with your air, so let me fly with you. Will you be forever? After that, on the opening side of the pouch, make a slip knot and attach the yarn by chain 1 and do single crochet all over. I could walk you by in a town without a thought. To be mine, would you mind if I took your hand tonight? No, you're all. Now I'm gonna attach the zip with the help of a glue gun. On that building moonlight skies with you. I think I'll picture us here with the waves, the ocean's colors. So here's the final look. It's super aesthetic and I just love it. See that? I just added a keychain in the side. I just thought it's matching. For making this more aesthetic, you can make a keychain like this orchid. It looks super cute with that. And yeah, I hope you liked today's video, and if you find this helpful, do share, like, comment, and if you have a doubt, do tell me in the comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye. With you forever, so